Okay, ladies.
Hey, ladies, you so fine.
This is all about owning it. And just wherever you are, when you get hit on, and they won't leave you alone with those one-liners, you're like, excuse me, I deserve better than that. Let's go. Turn it out.
You so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, ladies. Hey. All these ladies.
Turn it out. Last time, we're gonna walk it up. We'll likely own this place.
He say, young baby, you so fine, you blow my mind. I
Turn it out.
It's not enough, I wanna make you cry. Go get some tissues fast. You need a big
take it back.
And I will
turn it. Right leg kick.
At my ass. You fucking creep, you fucking nerd, you fucking loser. Knew from the way you looked at me,
take that ass. Let's go.
You do this all the right, giving me all the spotlight.
Yes.
But I know you walk up to
strike
every
a pose.
lady with that line like, hey ladies, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, all these ladies.
All these ladies and gents in 4, 3, shuffle. Let's go.
Hey ladies, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, all these ladies.
This one we're gonna stop on. Right here. Stop. Let's party. Huh. Again, let's go. Hey.
I say, young baby, you so fine. Let me come and blow your mind. Hey, I'ma make you mine. Got me working overtime. Hey, you dancing like a stripper. I follow you on Twitter. She thicker than a sticker. Legs like Kendall Jenner. Why you tripping, baby? Show a little gratitude. Yeah, you know good pussy always come with attitude. And me, I like a challenge. I told her make it balance. She make that ass go.
Strike a pose.
Now that's automatic.
Hey ladies, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, all these ladies.
Step touch. 4, 3, shuffle. Let's go.
Hey ladies, you so fine, you blow my mind.
We're getting ready to go to that party. Here we go. Now stop. Let's do it.
You so fine, you blow
hold
my
it right
mind.
here.
Ladies.
Own it.
All these ladies.
Hey, ladies. Yeah, go! Thank you so much for joining me and my amazing, fabulous dance crew. We hope that you had a great time. This was a little snippet, little tasty taste, sneak peek of a 40-minute workout that is on our app, our website. It's called The Studio Online. You can look it up. We have 6 different apps: Apple Store, Apple TV, Android, Roku, Fire Stick, any device. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of on-demand videos, and we live stream right from headquarters here every single day of the week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a great day.